In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an initial field to a document on Docusign. This process is straightforward and will take you about 5 minutes to complete. Let's start by navigating to the Docusign website. Make sure you're connected to the internet and open your preferred web browser. Enter the Docusign URL or simply search for Docusign in your search engine. Once you're on the homepage, you should notice a login button situated at the top right corner. Click on that to access your account. Enter your credentials to proceed. If you encounter any issues with logging in, double check your username and password or use the password recovery option if necessary. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. Here you will find multiple options available to start working with your digital documents. Look for the option labeled Templates on the main dashboard. Click on it and you'll see a list of templates. These templates are essentially pre-designed forms that you can use for various kinds of agreements and documents. Select the template that best suits your needs. If you don't find a suitable template, you can always create a new one from scratch. Once you've selected your template, the next step is to add specific details to your document. You will need to specify key details such as the recipient's email and the document title. It's crucial to ensure that all the recipient's information is entered correctly to avoid any delays in the document being processed. Once you have filled in all the necessary fields, you'll notice a Next button. Go ahead and click it. This will take you to the section where you can add interactive elements to your document. You're now at the stage where you need to add the initial field for signatories. On the left hand side of your screen you should see a toolbox displaying several options, including text fields, checkboxes and signature fields. Carefully select the initial option from this toolbox. It's important to position this field accurately on the document where you want the initials to appear. Simply click and drag the field to the right spot, thinking about how the document layout will look to the signer. After placing the initial field, you're almost done. Review the document to make sure everything looks correct and that all fields, including the initials, are placed appropriately. Once satisfied, the document is ready for sending. This method not only streamlines the signing process, but also ensures the accuracy and legal compliance of your digital documents. By following these steps, you're leveraging the power of Docusign to manage agreements efficiently. That's it! You've now learned how to add an initial field in Docusign in just a few easy steps. Feel free to explore other features of Docusign to maximize your document management efficiency.